Healthcare facilities are always adapting, managing emergencies, balancing staffing shortages, and keeping patient care at the forefront. But when critical infrastructure needs repairs or upgrades, time and budget constraints can become overwhelming. Traditional procurement methods can be slow, costly, and inefficient, forcing healthcare leaders to navigate lengthy bidding processes when time is of the essence. That's where job order contracting, also known as JOC, comes in. JOC is a streamlined procurement solution that helps healthcare facilities complete renovations, repairs, and new construction projects faster, smarter, and within budget. With JOC, pre-established pricing eliminates bidding delays, ensuring rapid project initiation and cost predictability. This allows healthcare leaders to focus on what truly matters, enhancing patient care and improving staff morale. Whether it's upgrading emergency facilities, enhancing patient rooms, or expanding operational spaces, JOC eliminates procurement headaches and gets projects completed on time and on budget. Ready to get started with Gordian's job order contracting? Use the JOC project calculator now and unlock the potential of your project.